Everyone, this is Khaled Jurdi, founder of Fearless Transformation. I'm speaking to you here from Orange County, California, and wanted to share with you what we're up to here at Fearless Transformation. Starting mid-July, July 14th through July 20th, we will be in Beirut, Lebanon, and we will be heading specifically to South Lebanon, to the refugee camps, the Syrian refugee camps, to do trauma release exercises, series of workshops. And I'm very, very excited about this because my mentor, Dr. Berceli, is going to be guiding me through the process where we're just making a difference where difference is really, really needed. These people, many of them, they don't have, the basics, water, shelter, electricity, things that we take for granted. Sometimes, many times, they don't even have a meal for that day. And they left their homes, they've been kicked away from their homes, and here they are. They're just, dealing with very, very rough circumstances. So with that being said, I hope that you can support us in our mission and just send us your blessings, send us a word or two, spread it to your friends, spread it to people who can help in this process where we can help a lot of people, you and I together. Until then, always live fearless and always be powerful. Cheers.
مرحبا، اسمي ديفيد برسلي. أنا وجدت trauma releasing exercises. أخي خالد يعلمكم التمرين تبع TRE. وهذه التمرين بتساعدكم يتخلص من الضغوطات النفسية. وجربوها واستفيدوا منها. But oftentimes I'll break out because this is what you're going to find, particularly with refugees. I find it all the time. They'll do this, and they won't understand. They'll look at your feet and they'll know you're doing something different. They'll look at their own, but they won't know how to adjust. So I actually have to go over and take their foot and turn it for them. See, so take your feet and turn your feet like this, so you're on the outsides of both feet.
Oh, outside, okay.
And I'll have to come over and I'll have to say to them, okay, you're on the outside here, so we're going to turn this one, like that. So now they're both turned over. And then I'll have them do that. And sometimes I have to grab their feet because there's a missed neural connection between the foot and the brain. That's why they'll look at you, know something's wrong, but not know how to correct it.
Right. Now, if she's a woman and she has like hijab and all that stuff, obviously.
No, then you don't touch her. But you can go over and say, look, your feet are like this, and so you're going to mirror to her. So you're going to say to her, turn this foot this way. See? And then you keep doing it until she gets it. See? And sometimes it takes 2 or 3 times, so just be patient. And it's like, that's giving me information as a clinician. I'm learning, oh, she doesn't have a neural connection to her foot. That had to have been dysregulated someplace. It's often from running in terror, which produced